Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're looking at the Breville fully automatic espresso machine, the Oracle Touch, right? Specifically the renewed version ASIMB08XWGVZQ1.
And up against it is the Philips Series 2200 fully automatic coffee machine, model EP2220 Sounds like a coffee showdown for the ages.
Exactly. The Breville Oracle Touch, even renewed, aims for that third wave, cafe quality experience right at home. It's for the coffee enthusiast.
The Philips 2200, on the other hand, focuses on being convenient, easy to use, and delivering a consistently good cup without a ton of fuss.
The Breville grinds, doses, and tamps automatically using its integrated conical burr grinder. It even steams the milk to microfoam perfection for latte art.
The Philips also has a built-in grinder, a ceramic one with 12 adjustable settings. So you can dial in your grind, but it's definitely geared more towards quickly getting a delicious espresso or coffee.
Yeah, the Breville even lets you save 8 personalized coffee settings. You can tweak everything from coffee strength and milk texture to temperature. It's seriously customizable.
The Philips has 3 one-touch beverage options: espresso, coffee, and hot water. You can customize the strength and length, which is nice for tailoring it to your taste, but not quite as granular as the Breville.
Breville uses a dual boiler for unparalleled temperature control and simultaneous extraction and steaming. That's key for consistent, high-quality espresso. Sounds fancy, because it is.
The Philips highlights its AquaClean filter, which they claim lets you brew up to 5,000 cups before needing to descale. That's a huge win for low maintenance.
The Breville has a touchscreen, which makes it easy to swipe through the options and adjust settings. Very intuitive.
Philips also uses a touchscreen, so it's a modern interface either way. Both are easy to navigate.
The Breville comes with a bunch of accessories, like a 58mm stainless steel portafilter, milk jug, cleaning kit, and even water filters. It's a complete package.
The Philips focuses on easy cleaning with its removable brew group and dishwasher-safe parts. Simplicity is the name of the game.
The Breville is a bigger machine, weighing over 37 pounds and measuring about 14.7 x 14.5 x 17.6 inches. It's a countertop commitment.
The Philips is much lighter and more compact, only about 16.5 pounds and dimensions of 9.69 x 14.61 x 17.05 inches. Easier to fit in smaller kitchens.
One thing to note is the Breville is listed as renewed, meaning it's pre-owned and inspected by Amazon. While it's supposed to work like new, some reviews mention potential cosmetic imperfections.
The Philips is brand new, so you're getting that out-of-the-box experience.
So if you're looking for the ultimate control, cafe-style experience, and don't mind a potentially pre-owned machine, the Breville is a good choice.
But if you want something simpler, easier to maintain, brand new, and more budget-friendly, the Philips might be the way to go. It really depends on your priorities and how much of a coffee geek you are.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.